everybody, today we have this here Whirlpool. Came with this. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do about that, but do I even want to know what that is? It's like part of a bra. It's like hooked around there. Weird. Have a little bit of money. Totally stuck bearing there. Totally too stuck. Oh, this motor is seized. It's either seized or there's something in there. Interesting. Okay, well, before I vacuum it, we're gonna check the other side. That's unfortunate. I thought this machine was gonna have a... If you want to do this, just don't. Okay? These go in here. This is probably bad. This motor is definitely bad.